Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord if it's not opening on your PC, right? First thing that you need to try here is to simply restart the computer. A simple restart may help fix the issue. Now if that will work, you might want to go to your search bar right here and type in %local app data and another %. Again, %local app data %. Once this folder pops up, just go ahead and click on it. And once you're in here, just click on app data right here at the top. Then go to roaming. Then locate Discord. Double click and find cache, code cache, and GPU cache. Click on each, then right click on it, hit on delete. Another one, click, right click, delete. And the last one here is the GPU cache. Click, right click, and delete. Once done, restart your computer, launch Discord again and see if it helps. Now that will work. Locate the Discord shortcut. Example here. Open file location. Right click on it. Hit on properties. Go to compatibility tab. Disable full screen optimizations. Then tick on run this program as administrator. Once done, hit on apply. Hit OK. Launch Discord again and see if it helps. Now if that still won't work, go back to the same set of settings. Again, open file location. Click, right click, properties. Untick everything, alright? Then go to your search bar again and type in allow an app through firewall. Right here, just click on this one. Now once you're in here, just click on change settings and allow another app. Right here, hit on browse. It's pretty hard to find the Discord's directory. Just go ahead and go to your search bar again and locate Discord. If you can't find Discord right here, just type in Discord. And in here, open file location. Click on the URL box. Right click and then copy. Minimize this one. Click on the URL right here at the top. Right click and hit on paste. Once done, just hit on this arrow icon right here. So it will lead us to the Discord's directory. Click on Discord, open it up, and simply hit on add right here, right? Update is added. Make sure that both private and public is ticked. Once done, hit on OK. Launch Discord again and everything should work. Now what if none of the workaround helps? It's time to reinstall Discord itself. To do that, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in add or remove programs. Click on this one right here. Locate Discord in the search box. Click on Discord. Hit on install. Once done, open up your favorite browser. Locate Discord. And just download it from here. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.